Hey guys, it's me Mario, and today we're going to read the final book of Beast Quest of Series 1, Epos, the Flame Bird. Hope you guys like the little background music I just made available to my disposal. Hope it's coming through because it's from my tablet. Maybe a little louder. There we go. All right. How you guys doing? Hope you're doing well. Soon I'm gonna have the drawing back up here, and maybe I'm gonna put a galaxy wall back here. It's looking a little blank back there. Yeah, it's looking a little blank back there, so I'm gonna put a galaxy thing back on this wall. Alright, Prologue of Epos, the Flame Bird. I am lost, thought Owen. The tunnel ended in yet another dark cave. Panic rose in the boy's throat as he tried to retrace his steps. But he knew it was hopeless, although he had left chalk markings on the rock walls. It was too dark to see them. Only a while ago, Owen had been playing outside the caves on the north side of the village. Then he had heard noises coming from outside, from inside the caves. Scraping, scrabbling noises. People hardly ever entered the caves, as they were unsafe and stretched for miles underground. Rockfalls were common. Rockfalls were common too, but he couldn't just ignore whatever was in there. An animal must have wandered in and got lost. He told himself it won't take long to help the poor thing back out. He had to try to follow the scrambling sounds he had heard, and now he was hopelessly lost. He stood helpless in the cold blackness. "Is anyone there?" he called. His voice echoed eerily back at him. These caves took the slightest sound and twisted it, making it seem as though it came from one direction where it came from another. He felt ahead and his fingers brushed against pitted rock. Then nothing. Stepping forwards, Owen realized he'd found the mouth of a new cave. A little way in, there was a faint light. He looked up and saw a tink of gray sky in the rock, high above. Then his foot scraped against something on the floor. It was a piece of scorched armor. Where had this come from? And what had happened to the knight who had worn it. It looked like a beaver. Beaver? Beaver. Which knights used to protect the chin and lower face, only smaller. Suddenly, a terrifying screech sliced through the air. Owen yelled out in terror, staring around wildly. A dark shape detached itself from the shadows and towered over him. In horror, Owen saw it was a giant bird. Its huge sail-like wings unfurled like they they were covered in dark gold feathers. Its beak was as long and sharp as a sword. Two fierce eyes fixed on Owen, blazing like irons in the blacksmith's fire. The creature's huge talons were scratching on the rock, tearing it apart. Heart pounding, Owen realized that this was the sound he had heard. Where was the animal he had hoped to rescue? Now he needed rescuing, and fast. The creature launched towards him, and then its massive feathered bulk beast into flame. Owen hurled himself to the ground as the beast launched into the air, its great fiery wings beating wildly as it flew straight at him. And that was the prologue. Well, hope the music isn't distracting at all. It's just in the background, so it shouldn't be any distracting. It should, add to the wonder of Beast Quest, Sorry for not making videos in like the last week. Yeah, sorry. Sorry, really, kinda. Well, hope you guys enjoy my videos, and I hope I will see you guys in the next one. Alright, see ya. Bye bye.